Welcome back to Noelle's Kitchen. I'm Noelle, and I'm going to teach you how to make banana chocolate chip muffins. So I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. First, we're going to use 3 cups of flour. Even as you can get. I'm so sorry. 1. Now I'm going to get a little knife. So I'm gonna get even as I can get. I'm gonna do this and then move it back over here. 2 and 3. I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So I'm gonna use this thing to make sure there's no clumps, okay? Sifting. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the bowl. See, we got a little. So, 1 teaspoon of salt. Because my brother accidentally made noodles once, and he did so much salt, I didn't even want to eat it. 1.5 cups chocolate chips and mini chocolate chips. If you want big, it's fine. Okay, now mix up. It should look like this. You want it really mixed well. So we're gonna now do the wet ingredients. So we need 5 or 6 bananas, and we're gonna peel them. They're best when they're really ripe, I guess. My goodness. Just gonna put them in the bowl, take the bananas out. Make sure you don't have the bananas in there with peeled when you put the other ones in there. We're gonna smash all these up. This takes forever. It should look like this, and now I'm just gonna whip it up real quick. Okay, we're finished. It should look like this. To our bananas, we're gonna get also good. So I'm gonna get 1 of these. And now we're gonna get 1 of these. A cup of avocado oil. Okay. It really looks like syrup when you put it in. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 eggs. I like to get them right from my chicken. So let's get some fresh eggs. I cannot reach it. I'm gonna get 6 eggs because they're all the way in here. We need 2 eggs though. If you don't have any chickens, that's okay too. Just have them sit out in the room. Okay, this one's gonna simmer. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my whisk. Mix it up. 370. I'm so sorry, guys. I did wrong. Make sure you did not do that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Is it multiplied? You want it completely mixed together. Okay, we got it. Here's it. Here's, if you can say that. That's how good you need to get it. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredient into our wet ingredients. Here we are. I just put it over there for the side. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. you want to mix it until it's just bind. Don't want to over mix it. It might get a little hard for kids. This is probably the point when you might need your mom's help. I think that's finished. This recipe makes 2 sheets of muffins. So I'm gonna get the spray. Just smear it in all the cups. Just because you don't want to stick at the bottom. Okay, I'm finished. Now we're gonna get a cookie dough scoop just for it. It probably will be easy. I'm gonna put 2 scoops in per cup. Got 2 sheets full. I'm gonna sprinkle a couple chocolate chips on top. Now we're gonna put our things in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Don't overbake them or they're gonna dry out and that's disgusting. Here we go. Are you watching me? Let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you when my muffins are done and I'm just gonna clean up this mess before it's all pretty and stuff. I'll see you back when the muffins are done. Yahoo! Alright, our muffins are done. Here it is. It should look like this. I took a toothpick. If you test what they're done, you just get a toothpick and squeeze it in there. And if it's dirty, it's not ready yet. And if it's clean, it's right. Let's try it. That's good. It was easy for kids. Get a little help from your mom to mashing and a little bit of help for putting it in the oven and whisking it. Let's see what my brothers think. Okay. Giddy. I know. Does he like it? 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching another video of Noelle's Kitchen. I hope you join me for more videos and please watch my brothers. And please subscribe down below just for you. Don't forget to find me on Facebook by Giddy Creations. Please tell me if you like the muffins that you made or if they turned bad that you didn't want them. It's still great. Join us next time here in Noelle's Kitchen. That's all, folks. Bye. God bless. Banana chocolate chip donuts because we can't have any clumps. Welcome back to Noelle's Kitchen. Gonna do this. Let's go speed it up. Now we're gonna smush our bananas up. Welcome back to Noelle's Kitchen. Okay, this is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna make it fast. My goodness, this is gonna take forever. It's not hard if you have messy hands. But first, are we finished yet, Mom? I want to. Let's just go speed it up. Could you just clip that out? So I'm gonna just make this fast.